one of the things I was going to talk about real quick is this issue with the phone. So some of you probably know, some of you may not. There was an explosion in Nashville, and it has affected our phone service. And we're in Tennessee, in the Chattanooga area. And so we can make FaceTime calls, and we can iMessage with other people that have iPhones. And thankfully, most of our network, I mean as in family network, have iPhones. So
my friend Keely has one.
that's right. So that's kind of saving us in terms of her worry and stuff. If she wasn't able to FaceTime, then that would be a disaster. That would be hard for her. But anyway, she's coping relatively well. I'm updating her regularly. I'm checking my phone to see if we have phone service yet. And so I told her after her nap, we're going to update her again. Right? No. Stop chewing on my kitchen mat. Stop that. Don't chew on my kitchen mat. Oh, we probably need to go let poor cold Abby in.
I was wondering why she wasn't in there while we were eating.
You want to go get Abby? Let's go get Abby. Come on. There's Abby. Hey, Abby. Is it cold outside, Abby? Is it cold outside? Well, you need another drawer.
No, I already got it.
Oh, do all those go in the top drawer?
Yeah, this one's not as full as the bottom one.
Do they all fit?
Yes. Yes, they do. They all fit.
Okay.
I don't need another drawer yet. This one is shh. Well, I do it.
Now, if I'm here to help you and to get you in that bed for your nap, I'm gonna help.
How many
I
waterproof?
only dropped one waterproof and I got it.
How many waterproof decks I got?
I don't know, a bunch.
I don't know, a bunch of them. I'm sure I'll get some more though.
Mm-hmm.
Oh gosh. Those are waterproof. These are waterproof too. Oh gosh. These go right there. These are waterproof too.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't know Keely had FaceTime.
Mm-hmm.
She doesn't know how to use it, does she?
Oh, I bet she does.
I bet I do. She hadn't learned it yet.
Oh, I bet she has.
But I bet I do. Yes, I know. Keely. Mm-hmm. Her open bad. Is she bad or good? Keely, you are a bad one.
Hey, Jess, you want to tell about your card organization?
Hold on, I'm fixing it.
Did you come up with your own system?
Yes. I'm fixing that. Thank you.
This is the system that works for you.
Yes.
I've got to get a cabinet with more drawers.
Oh yeah, I Another one, don't I?
You do. I have attempted in the past to create a different organization system for Jess. I even bought a case where you could put the cards in it and stuff, but that wasn't what worked for her. And for a long time, she just would dump all her cards into a box and not have them divided up by type or by decks. And so one day, I don't know how it all came about, but one day she started organizing some into baggies. And after that, it was just they always went into baggies. She can open baggies by herself. She can close them by herself. And then in her cabinet, she has them divided up by, like, the top drawer is waterproof. The bottom drawer are some of the state cards and special cards. What's in the other two drawers?
I have no idea.
I have no idea either, but anyway, she's got them all figured out somehow. So anyway, time to tuck them in for a nap. Oh, we need to, Jessica, I gotta go get Abby's pillow. I'll be right back. Abby, you're gonna go with me? Okay, come on, everybody. Meow. Okay, Abby gets to go first. Sit. Good girl, Abby. Good girl, Abby. Hey, Zoe, settle Jess. Good girl. Good girl. Settle Jess. Jess, you want to give her one?
Yes.
I gave her one of them.
Mom, when can we have Red Lobster for dinner?
Red Lobster for dinner. Let's see. Today is Saturday.
Yeah.
How about Monday?
Okay.
Okay.
Mom, will you plug my phone in?
Mm-hmm. You can come say, Mom, have you checked the phone? And I'll tell you.
Well, whose phone?
Mine. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Have a good nap.
May I pat you?
Ooh, your hands are cold.
Let me go ahead and give you a couple of pats.
Do it. Thanks. Listen, don't pick any of your scabs during your nap, okay? And don't rub them. Don't rub them. Don't touch them. Just leave them alone, okay?
What is that on my chin?
It's a scab because you keep touching it and rubbing it. You gotta leave it alone. Do not pull it off, okay?
Okay.
Come on, Zozo.
They're not.
Hey, Jess, did you have a good nap?
Yeah. Yeah.
What's the status of the phone? Make a video about it.
Well, they don't have the power ready, but hopefully by 5 o'clock they should have power.
Okay.
Hopefully.
But if they don't, you have a plan, don't you?
They'll probably have it ready by then.
But if they don't, you have a plan, right?
They don't. We don't.
Well,
Mm-hmm.
what have you and Granddad been talking about?
The cars.
What kind of cars?
The kind where they can drive me itself.
Like a self-driving car?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Y'all been studying about that?
Mm-hmm.
Good.
They should have it back together, soon.
Yeah.
Mommy?
Yes, dear.
Like, what would they finish in the morning if they don't have it done?
Putting the wires back together.
Wow. I didn't know that they could do that like that.
Oh, yeah.
The wires back together. It's ready. Probably not. To our families.
Okay, now, loud noises. Oh, this might go everywhere.
You're fired. Jessica Taylor.
Absolutely not.
Yes, you are. You're about to be a bad one. You're about to be a bad one, but never mind, no, you're not.
What's she doing in there?
But I can soon. Yeah, eventually you can. Okay, now you
My puppy's so sleepy.
Oh, that's too loud.
My puppy's so sleepy and she thinks she's got to sit in my lap to take a nap, don't you? Because she won't miss anything if she's in my lap. So I wanted to give an update about the phone situation. I explained to Jess that if it's not fixed by 5 o'clock, that all the workers go home to eat with their families and we'll start back tomorrow. Because if I don't establish that, she'll ask me every hour until bedtime and into the night. And
the middle of the night.
yeah, so she's on a countdown watching the clock for 5 o'clock. All right, unfortunately, it's still not fixed yet, but that's okay. They will definitely get it fixed.
I thought they had been working on
They're
it.
working on it, but it's a lot of work.
Are they still there?
Well, they are for today, for now, but they're going to go home and eat supper and start back tomorrow. We're good, okay? Everything's good because we've got FaceTime and iMessages.
I don't know how to. I don't have iMessages.
You do have iMessages.
What is iMessage?
It's where you text somebody else with an iPhone.
So, well, are they still there right now?
They're wrapping it up for today. And they'll get started again morning.
So, well, how come they're wrapping it up?
Because it's the end of the day on Saturday and they need to go home and see their family and eat supper. Okay, I'm going to the kitchen. You want to go?
What time does AT&T open?
Oh, doggy! In the morning, they'll get started back up at probably 9 o'clock.
At 9 o'clock.
Okay.
What's she?
She's seen what all she can get into. Come on, Zoe!
How am I going to get my phone call, Mom?
When? Tomorrow?
Mm-hmm.
Don't you make the phone call?
Yes. Don't start.
What are you screaming for?
And I'm about to spill water.
I'm about to get whiplash.
I'm going to spill water.
No, I don't think you will.
Yeah, I will.
If you spill water, guess how many Oreo truffles you get? Only a half of one.
No, I don't.
If you spill water, you do. Water spillers only get to eat half an Oreo truffle. But people who don't spill water get 2.
That's right.
I wish you'd have left your hair up.
I know, but I didn't know for sure.
Say,
when the,
you know what? It's my dang business.
I
I like it this way.
You know my headphones I used to listen to that Where
Yes.
the dogs bark?
Hannah knows how to work them.
Do you know how to work them?
Yeah.
You know how better than I do, Hannah. You've borrowed them and put them back and charged them again.
Those are mine.
I've plugged them in to charge, I'm pretty sure.
Like recently.
Mm-hmm. I don't know. Go look, see. Look behind where my computer usually is.
Do you need them like right this instant?
Yes, I do.
Why?
How come they haven't had it fixed today, Mom?
It's a lot of work. And they had to restore power first.
Restore. How do they do that? Restore power.
I don't know. It's not my job.
I don't know. They had to restore it. What does restore mean?
Make the power work again.
Make it. Restore it. Make it work again. Ow. They fixed some of it, right?
Mm-hmm.
There's some. Like I'll finish it in the morning. Or what do you mean?
What?
What are you talking about my phone tomorrow, Mom?
I think they'll have your phone fixed tomorrow. Your line, your service line.
I think I'll have it. How can you tell?
I'm optimistic.
What's optimistic mean?
It means I have a positive outlook that I believe it's going to happen.
Positive outlook. So, well, what time do you think it'll be fixed?
I don't know. I really don't know. When we get ready for bed
When we got ready for bed,
whose phone was working?
my phone was working.
You had a phone signal at bedtime, didn't
Right.
you? Do you have a phone signal this morning?
Yes.
Do I?
No. No.
Does Hannah?
I don't think so.
She does. You and Hannah have a phone signal and I don't. How about that business? Are you happy now?
Yeah.
Great.
And
I got out the stuff to make sausage balls.
oh, you did?
Mm-hmm. You want me to go make them?
Yeah.
You gonna perk up?
Yeah. Oh.